Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a gloomy day and I hardly can vlog outside, so I have to spend my time in keeping my room clean and arranging, and later I will show you how my room later. So but before anything else, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'm so happy for that, guys, if you do. Welcome back, guys, and I want to show you the room where I live. This is my bed, the television, and there is a printer. So what I did this morning, since it's my off, I just gathered dust. Actually, the room is so dusty. I don't know, but every time it's like in a week it has a lot of dust. And those are the things. Those are for food. The rack for food, and the other things were located, and those are where the coffee and the coffee mate and other things. And this is the table, the trolley. It's really a comfy trolley. You want to drag it, you can drag it. And this is the the chair, and my bench for having coffee and some snacks. And that rack is where I put other things for cooking. And that is my fridge. Yeah, let's have a look at inside. There's a lot of stuff inside, and it's a lot of things here. Yeah, bread, all bread, and some fruits and veggies down there. And yeah. So since it's my day off, that's what I did this morning. I just gathered dust because it's so dusty, and I know I'm very much allergic with dusts. And yeah, I have some book for reading. Yeah, it's my comfy room for my off. I'm very much comfy here, staying here, not going outside anymore, because I can have a very comfortable day here. So guys, this is what I want to share. This is the only thing I wanna share with you guys about what's inside my room. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.